Hello, and welcome to another episode of Resto-Rob. Hey everybody, and welcome to the Resto-Rob channel. Today we're going to be looking at an Indestro set that I just picked up as part of a weekend haul. So sit back, relax, and check this out. Okay, up next is this fine looking toolbox. Let's open it and see what's in there. This here is an old Indestro socket set. You have set number 7711, 31 piece, 3/8 socket. And that's all the bits that should be in there. So to start, in this kit, we got a 3/8 8-point, we've got a 1/2 inch 8-point, a 6-point 3/8, 12-point 7/16, 12-point 1/2 inch, 12-point 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, 3/4, 13/16, and a 7/8. Those are in the shallow sockets. Next up, we got these swivels. We got a 7/16, 6-point, 1/2 inch 6-point, 9/16 1/2 point, 9/16 6-point, 5/8 1/2 point. Why do I keep saying 1/2 point? 5/8 6-point. We have 11/16 6-point, 3/4 6-point. Non-Indestro is this Craftsman 1/2 inch by 3/8 V adapter. The Craftsman V 13/16 6-point spark plug socket. Up here in the deep well, we've got a 7/16 12-point, 1/2 inch 12-point, 9/16 12, 5/8 12-point, 11/16 3/4, and 13/16. Then we've got the 2776 Ratchet. Got the 2-inch extension, 6-inch extension, and I'm going to go with 12-inch extension, and a 10-inch breaker bar. And the speed ratchet. Came in this kit. So I'm pretty tickled, pretty happy. We will clean these up. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. I appreciate everybody's comments. Hopefully you enjoyed the this is quick, but it is a cool little industrial set. So let me know what you thought, and as always, stay safe, and we will check you later.